Never finding my way. You make the hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper.
Okay, we're gonna let the chickens out. Yes, we're on. Okay. I don't see any hawks at the moment. Come on, ladies. Shut up, bee. Sorry, guys. There's a carpenter bee that is being very protective of my chicken coop. Walking over to my shade. My neighbors, if you guys hear hammering, they are having a barn built or a new shed. It's huge. Going up quickly. Let's go over here. Hopefully they don't see me filming. Did you guys like my shirt? I'm the mom. I'm gonna put you on top of here. I go and grab out the tools needed to clean out the Coop. I found it. Oh, chicken wire. I need the hoe to pull out the poop. I need a shovel to scoop the poop. And I need my metal rake. So when I'm adding the bedding, we're good. What I don't have is a giant wheelbarrow anymore. I just don't. I had one. The tire went out, and I don't know what the hell my husband did with it. So I used my little wheelbarrow. We're gonna go right here. Maybe they won't notice that I have a camera and that I'm talking to myself. Hopefully they'll just think I'm talking to myself. Gotta get you guys where you guys can see in there. I'm probably gonna open my slide, quite honestly. But we also have to keep an eye on hawks. Do you see? Can you guys see the carpenter bees? Oh, look, right here. Oh, bastards. Woo! They're buzzing me because everything is wood. They like to get into the wood. Stop. Back up. Back up. This is going to be disgusting. I'm going to try to zoom it in. Oh, yay. There you guys go. My kid's ladder was not in the way. You guys could see this better. I have this on top of here. Doesn't need to be on top of there. I brought it. My mic on? Yep, my mic's on. Oh, fun. We're going to open this. Be prepared to be scared. Because I already know this is from all winter. And actually, I'm opening these windows to help air this bad boy out. Because I know it's already bad. My thing is, I'm worried about there being a snake. inside the coop. All right. Grab my water. And I'll put my lid on. So, cleaning out coop and also watching for hawks. This is going to be fun, fun, fun in the sun. And the bees. Everyone's like, oh, carpenter bees don't sting. They haven't stung me yet. Hopefully, it doesn't continue. Let's get, oops, right there. Leash, okay. There we go. Really? I need to keep it open. Needs to stay. I don't want to get shut in on. There. Ta-da! I did it. I have done it. I'm going to show y'all. Can you guys see the horror? The horror inside here. Oh, let's zoom out a little bit. That is chicken poop. The rest is not that bad. But the pile of chicken shit, because they rest up there, is disgusting. Gone. Hello. Hello. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm trying to talk through a mask. Why am I wearing a mask when I'm cleaning out chicken poop? One, you don't want poopy crap in your eyes or breathe it, because it can make you very, very sick. A lot of people don't think about this, and then they get sick and they don't know why. Wear a mask when cleaning out the big poop that is full of feces. Also, of course, because I'm doing this, there's a hawk circling over my house, and my chickens are just roaming loose. So, I will be multitasking and avoiding the bees that I'm allergic to clean this out, protect the chickens. I'm seeing birds. Out the poops. Ah! No! You guys could not see my wheelbarrow fall. See? Why I have glasses. We're gonna unzoom it. That bee. I have a mini wheelbarrow. There's a chicken in here laying eggs. Oh, come on. I am not very good at this. No, I am not. I am singing a song while I clean up the poop. Because while I'm filming, see why I have an apron on?
She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head, dreams so big they shake her bed, running fast, losing track of time, got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl, fingers tapping, she's a busy girl, chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight, but she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step she takes rewrites her fate, twisting paths never too late, breathing dreams in chaotic air, finding calm in the middle of the scare. Tangled thoughts she pulls them free, crafting castles where none should be, painting skies with shaking hands, making magic no one understands. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every steps into her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. From the darkened tomb, a stone did slide, bright burst of light, no place to hide. Sin and sorrow buried there to stay. Freedom lives with the dawn of day. Chains are shattered from the grave, we're free. Love unchained, now it's you and me. Mountains tremble, skies proclaim, the earth rejoices in his great name. Jesus, King of kings, we rise to sing. Heaven echoes, praises ring. From the grave he brought us light. His love turned wrong into right. He bore our burden through the darkest night, turned our shadows into...
Okay. So now they're nester. Good thing I still have my goggles and my mask on. So what she's fluffing around is Demetrius earth. It's a bug preventer, like flea, ticks, lice, ants, all the shenanigans. I put it underneath their bedding. Those are fake eggs. I want them to try to start laying here. They never use these 3 nests. Just that one and that one. But that's all cleaned out. I'm gonna get new bedding. I'm gonna shut this now. Yay me. Chicky. Chicky, that wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. You threw Demetrius earth all over me. Now, it's gonna stay up there. And then I lock it. These are raccoon locks. Because otherwise raccoons can break into your coop. Yeah. And then I have to clean up my yard. And mix the compost back there. I started to do this, and then we had a pop-up thunderstorm hit, and they said it was just supposed to be cloudy. Yeah. Let's drag this bad boy over here.
Eyes so bright, the story's written, the stone rolled clear, forever his presence lingers near. Lift your hands, lift your soul up high, feel his spirit under open skies. He's the shepherd with a grace-filled sheep, through his mercy promise
Okay, so now, here we go. See? And this is pine needles. And since we do like the layer, we do the layer cooping, I guess it's called, or layering, I guess, in-house. This will heat and stuff. So we do this much. And then because we use these wood chips, they break down and they can decompose on their own. I do it twice a year. I change out their coops. Some people, they only do it once a year because it, like, on the bottom of this, like as you guys saw, there was a lot of like black dust, and it's like pure compost, which is really, really cool. So then what you do is, and people are like, does it smell? No, it does not. And it didn't smell just now. I had the mask on just to keep poop and stuff from getting into my airway and stuff like that. But by adding the pine needles, it goes underneath, and the pine naturally has a nice odor. And then you would just keep layering on top of it. If it started to get really full, this would all decompose and go down within a couple of months, and that's when you would layer. So every 6 months, I come through and I change out their bedding. We'll reuse some of the nest if it's still good and it doesn't have like egg or anything on it. And then, yeah, and yes, that wall is stained. That's just because they constantly poop on that wall. But I did like brush it down, and then I threw some stuff on it. But that looks really good. And I did just post a video in like what, March? Because I did it in March or April. I cleaned out their run, and all the bedding has already, as you can see, has decomposed down into the ground, which is why you guys saw me leveling it out before I put it in for the last cleaning. But I'll put that in there. Ouch! I keep hitting myself on this dang rake. I keep stepping on it like I'm Charlie Brown or something. But that is beautiful. We have a fresh, clean coop, compost pile. I have to put the boards up on the side. We took it down when we added it to the garden. So I'm going to go on the other side. I'm going to spray that, turn it, and then I have my little mat over there that I'll cover it with. And then we'll just let it go, and we'll just keep turning it and stuff. But until my husband brings the boards to make the 3-ply. But yeah, nice, clean coop. The ladies are happy. Now I just got to finish adding some of that to their run because it's been so wet that it all, as you can see, has broken down. Under there is more so dry, but out there it just looks like mud. So I'm going to add more just because we. Whoa, ladies! 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 That's enough of that. Okay.
Circles, never finding my way. You make the hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, why you steal my day? Run in circles, never finding my way. You make the hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green. You make me forget the in-between. Started strong but I lost the thread. Now I'm chasing thoughts inside my head. Plans get tangled, tossed undone. Every step I take's a loaded gun. ADHD, why you steal?
Okay, guys. So I finished. I'm going to walk out and show you. I actually forgot. I wanted to film the chickens. Okay, everybody. So I finished. You guys saw the inside, the outside. These ladies are very happy. She just laid an egg because she's so happy. Yeah. Cleaned up my mess and put it away. And I almost forgot my eggs out here. I just put them in a thingy. Yeah. All right. Okay. So now that we saw everything is done, I am tired. I'm going to go take a shower. And then I'm going to finish picking up my living room, edit this video, and hopefully I can get it up today by 4 p.m. All right. Oh, do you guys like my shirt? It says, I am the mom. Your argument is invalid. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. See you guys later. And no, I did not do this on Mother's Day. This is the day after Mother's Day. So, but yeah, had a great Mother's Day for all you moms out there. My head's a little off. We're going to just keep that in there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the next video. Bye.